your videos feel boring and not interactive? Here are the best sound effects that all big channels use, starting with whoosh or swoosh, perfect for transitions like fast movements or text reveals. Pop, add it when something pops up on the screen to grab attention. Film burn, ideal for vintage transitions or adding a nostalgic cinematic feel. Click, great for simulating button presses or menu selections. Data, use it for tech presentations, futuristic themes, digits, or loading screens. Check, perfect for marking tasks as complete or highlighting correct answers. Keyboard sounds, use these for typing scenes or tech-themed edits. Hit, highlight punches, crashes, or dramatic impacts. Camera shutter, ideal for photo moments or snapshot effects and transitions. Glitch, add it for tech malfunctions or glitchy visuals. Now, if you are still wondering why